Then oh no we not talk about how Donald Trump and meet different things. Oh no we not talk about that. Then you know where they are foreign really not take life serious, you know? No, sister, the world has changed. So the whole not really sit down a foreign. I wait until Donald Trump tell you this. You now watch yourself. Boy, I'm not. When Shay talks to me a big friend from her, no, never big friend. That is why when everybody has say, look how she be and Shay. Me know this long time, this did come long time. We always are aid. We are not no surprise when we go quiet we're most deadly. When we go quiet we're most deadly. For true, it basically have an Aquarian as your friend and your enemy. It basically have an Aquarian as your friend and your enemy. I told you, I will not depend on the life I talk about. I will usually them used to cuss about. Shebada no want to tell you shit. Me know this will come. My timing and phone timing are two different timing. Me not jump when girls squeal. Me not jump when girls squeal. So when time people are say Shebada can't tame. Number one, me not put myself in a position to be tamed. I never do that yet. I am not to be domesticated. You never know. No, for true. That's why I tell people this every day. I can be extremely nice and don't make me reach a part where I say I'm going to give you what you give me. It's going to be dangerous because then now I'm going to show you your reflection and it's going to affect you. And it's not going to bother me. Me not have to do no friend. That's why I say I don't know how the internet stays so. Me not have to deal with friends and people. I don't have to. You love people? Of course I do. But not because I love you, I'm going to make you drain me. I love me more. Gone are the days when I used to last myself in a people. Them days they done finish over through the door. My silence is golden. I treasure my silence, you know. So it's when I argue with you, take it as a privilege. Because when I go quiet upon you, I don't care about you. I'm not afraid to tell you, say, I don't care about you. Very dangerous and nothing can move away. And we look it straight in the eye. You see the funny part about an Aquarian? They don't even know shit what them are going to do next. And that make it dangerous. Them don't even know shit what them are going to do next. Them don't know shit what them are going to do next. You never know. That is why even on stage, when me I perform, they can't give me any script. Because I don't have phone vision, I don't see things like how I see it. I see it where I see it in my colors. We live on the brink, and that people don't know. We live on the brink for true. We live on the brink, and we're very intelligent, all when we're illiterate. We're very intelligent. Because me strongly believe, say, for me, being an Aquarian, I feel, say, we're more on the energy side. You know when you dip on the energy side, yeah man, we can pick you up from a mile away and we know for dodge bullet quickly. You see when me hear September people talk about, me like to experience it first. Me hear you tell me about me want experience it. We no wait for experience and we no want nobody tell we how you stay. We know already. So we separate ourselves from spirit. From what spirit we separate ourselves. I don't know Virgo, you know. I only know Aquarian, my baby. I don't know the Virgo and the Cancer and the Pisces and the Lebanese and the Shebadites. I don't know them there. For true. April, remember tell you with April people. To me, April people act in ignorance. Most of them, even when they are intelligent, they act in ignorance. And that make me and April people cannot agree. April people act in ignorance. They act in ignorance. Me never telling a lie. You can experience this and an individual come to you and them say, he said, don't do that. You can't tell me not do that. Trust me, they're more arrogant. April people to me more arrogant. Even if they're well widely intelligent, them spirit arrogant. Me nah lie. Me nah lie you. Them spirit arrogant, very arrogant. It's hard to cut through an April individual, you know. It is so hard to sit down and cut through them. Don't make them read nothing. Them are gonna tell you, say, I saw it go. I saw it go. You never know. I saw it go. Alright, one month K-Ban. One month K-Ban. Alright, you see K? Me I tell you what K have. You see K? It takes a collective of people to tell her that she's wrong and then turn around and ignore her for she to get the message. I am telling you. I am telling you. I saw K remind me of one April individual. Now care what you tell them say. You understand? I have the attitude of an April individual. For true. Honestly, I mean always look on K and say, okay, behave so. For true, you know, I always say, I say, Jesus Savior, okay, behave so. Leah who people were born August, this and that. Cause I know Leo man, you know. I know Leo man. Leo man, the man a good man. Anything when name Leo, run from it. Run from the Leo man them. Run from the Leo. Anything when name Leo, run. Run from any Leo. Run from any Leo. Leo man will give the wickedest wine and the sweetest bone. Leo man will dig out your hole like them want you. Like them want you. Yeah. Leo man them will wind up in your belly and make you love them body. Wow, and you're the sweetest bone. Wickedest wine and sweetest bone. Yeah. Me don't know Libra. Me don't know them so. Me don't study horoscope in a type demonic. Me don't study horoscope type demonic, you know. October. Me know about October woman them. Me know about October woman them lie and wicked and devious. October girl them devious. And October man them mean. October man them mean and love people things and then name out your pocket. Yeah. And stingy and not feed them body. Yeah, them stingy and don't feed them body. Yeah. October man them want people for honest them and take care of them and buy them. Me 8 October man them too. The 8 October man them. October boy them for go. Me never did with none yet, you know, but them for go. Yeah. But me tell you something about October females. Especially the one them were born go down. You understand me? You see them people eh? Oh, Swissley born October, so everything that I just described, Swissley remind me of mudfish. I always tell you that, so Swissley remind me of mudfish. Swissley is one of the most sneakiest individual and the most liarest individual me know upon the app. And this is not no new talk. This a talk me a talk from about 2020. Swissley is somebody who will come around you and suck your energy and leave you. And I tell you that, I tell you, say, see mudfish. I have a friend, I have a friend named Mudfish. You see, Mudfish would have sucked energy. And them careless, they are very lazy. They are lazy. They are lazy. Oh, yeah. I tell you that already. No can't stay, they're very lazy. I not study them something, I tell you them something a demonic, you know. Them something a demonic, I not study them something. Then what will be coming up people? Then oh no we not talk about Donald Trump and meet different things. Oh no we not talk about that. Then only where they are foreign really not take life serious, you know. No, sister, the world has changed. So the whole not really sit down a foreign. I wait until Donald Trump tell on this. You now watch on yourself. Boy, I'm not telling a lie. Big up to the people where they are foreign, but watch on yourself and cover on yourself, ladies and gentlemen. Them say we're gonna start walk with people now, different people when they come from here. So them say by the 24th, one ship supposed to show up in Florida. Yeah, but you see when you see strange things that happen, the whole of the rankers them are gonna come on the app. I saw Donald Trump meeting with some, but everything. You see how the devil is funny and cunning. the devil make AI get so rampant and everybody, first the devil allow everybody to get so computer literate and computer advanced. You understand me? And then them put out this thing, AI can make it look real. You understand me? So you see, when we are seeing the things that are true, we're going to call them AI. And people not realizing what is happening, you know. You understand me? When they not realize what's happening, you know, and the whole I want to sit on a foreign, you know, and a plan for breed and have picnic and realize, no, don't laugh. And the children are going to be born with some different illness because you guys have not read the word. And these are the stuff that they were doing back in the day. You know what I found fascinating is the fact that they have something now that can cure cancer, autism, and all sorts of something. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you see, because we are uneducated, my people perish because of lack of knowledge. Yes.
What about iron?
No, that is why they are here. And they might go like it's artificial intelligence. Let me say this to you guys. You see, back in the day of old, they used to do this that they are doing now. They made a lot of ladies, kids born with a lot of disease. They are the generation to come. That is it, they might do it. They are doing it. Yes, they might tell you, but you need to do this, you need to get that. Back in the day when people used to ban the Bible days, nobody never used to joke with not even maca. You found out that your child are born with certain illness now, you know what? Yes, a lot of them not care how good your womb be. The reason why they are doing that because they have to become test subjects. They have to become test subjects, and you are going to make the deal. You have to make the deal because you want this to be done. Where they are foreign, you know, may I tell you the truth, you have to pay attention. It can't just be about TikTok and entertainment. You have to pay keen attention to the time. No, you have to pay keen attention to the time for real. They are meeting with entities that we are not familiar with. Yeah, my friend. That we are not familiar with. No, it's true. I pay artificial things. You're not going to start nyam. I'm going to tell you this. You will live somewhere foreign. Buy the cases of things and the things something them and put on. You see? Every day we get up and we just focus on the same routine. We try to make life. When life now try to make we. They are doing stuff out there, ladies and gentlemen. It might not sound well to you. It might not sit well with you. But when that day come, the fright of it alone might kill you. Because you never prepare. Remember the towers before them go down? Remember the towers 9/11? It was a regular morning. It was a regular morning. It was an okay morning. All those persons thought that it was going to be better than yesterday. All those persons believe that. But you see, we are so distracted with the nuances and the fandangles and the foolery and the app. We are so distracted. We are so, nothing is wrong with being entertained off grid. You understand me? But let us stay focused and stay woke. We can't afford to get up every single day and try cut through this life. One day this life I gonna stop you in the face. How you gonna deal with it? How? All of we can sit down and mix he and mix she and mix the old lady. But at time I gonna come when you have to go buy a case of water. Go put them in your house. Half dozen tin food. At time I go come. It doesn't matter what you have in the bank. You're going to hear one day the system down with all of your belly bottom. And you're going to remember the good way you do for people. But it's survival time. A man now have a case of water and think him can give you one. Look at the time. Actually, you have to understand. Buy a safe, put them in your house and start throw $1 in there like piggy bank. It's just a pity that someone never prepare, but it's a privilege to be a part of the end time. And all we can do is come on the internet every day and distract our own self. When the banks stop, it's survival time. It is. Oh, this is a fairy tale and fandangles. Remember pandemic. It was fairy tale and fandangles. Remember pandemic. A pandemic why Donald Trump put out enough people now.